All right, so I know you've been watching those videos and they're telling you not to put water on your locks, and now your scalp is crunchy, your locks are flaky, and we can smell your locks from a mile away. The basic answer is yes, your hair needs water. Your hair is an extension of your body needs water, so your hair needs water. People probably tell you not to put water on your starter locks because the way that you do put water on your starter locks is going to differ depending on what type of starter locks you have. So if you have 2-strand twist or you have braids, you can put water on your locks because it's not going to make your hair unravel. So I started off with, y'all know it was a rocky road, but I started off with braids at the top and then twist at the bottom. So nothing was really going to cause my hair to unravel because the braid was tight and then the twist was tight. I did experience some like loose ends where it would unravel at the end, but nothing really to where it just like went up the root, and nothing because of water. If anything, water helped it stay intact and helped it bud a little bit more. If you have 2-strand twist or braids, you can spray your hair with a water bottle. You can wet your hair in the shower. You can do just about anything. You do not have to try to avoid water if you have 2-strand twist or braids. Speaking of twist, I didn't even mention my hair is different. I tried some twist over my locks. I didn't record it on YouTube mainly just because I did not feel like it. Maybe if I do this style again, I'll do it, but I will link the tutorial that I actually watched to do this. But this is all my hair, and then I just crocheted some braided hair and then I just twisted all the way down. So there we are. All right, now if you have coils, it might be a little mixy because coils can unravel depending on how you put water on your hair. If you just want to wet your hair for the day, I recommend just spraying the ends of your hair and not really going up your hair shaft because you don't want the coils to unravel. And I know like most people who have coils, no offense, I've seen have like stringier hair textures, and it's easy for them to unravel. So I would just say spray the ends of it just so like you can create that budding in the ends, and try to like leave the top of it alone unless it's like you're holding it while you're doing this. Like if you have stringy hair, you don't want to drown your coils in that water. And just a disclaimer, like I said, I started off with braids and 2-strand twists, so I know nothing about coils. This is just what I'm thinking, you know. But like if you really wanted somebody who started off with coils, you should probably look them up on YouTube. If you want to wash your coils, I would say maybe you could section your hair, or maybe even like try to braid the coils so that they don't unravel. But I don't think that you should be staying away from water, because what a lot of people tend to do when they have starter locks and they hear people say, oh, stay away from water, you will wait like 5 months before you wash your hair. Don't do that. So yeah, like I said, simplest answer, yes, you need to be putting water on your locks. If you have 2-strand twist or braids, you can do just about anything with the water. And then if you have coils, figure out what works for your coils so that they don't unravel. I even saw a girl put a stocking cap on and then she washed her hair like that so that the coils like wouldn't move. So just figure out what works for you. But simplest terms, yes, your hair needs water. No matter what kind of locks you have, water will help your hair mature. It's gonna help it start looking a little bit frizzier, which causes budding, which makes you really get that lock look. I know that this video was short, but I hope that it helped you in some way, shape, or fashion. If you're new to your loc journey, I've been documenting my loc journey since day 5. I will have some videos in the description box, and you can go on my channel and literally scroll for 2 years of content with my locks, just me figuring everything out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Everything that you need is going to be in the description box, and I will see you in my next video.